Hey everyone, it's Investment IQ Insights. If you could peek into the portfolios of billion-dollar hedge funds, would you? Today, we're revealing the top 10 stocks smart money is buying in 2025. And some of these picks may just surprise you. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a chance to invest smarter, faster, and with more confidence. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. So, who exactly is smart money? Well, smart money refers to institutional investors, hedge funds, pension funds, and large asset managers. So, are you ready to see what they're buying? Let's go. First up, we have Nvidia, a company that needs no introduction. Nvidia dominates the AI revolution. Their GPUs power AI applications in data centers, robotics, and autonomous driving. Smart money bets on Nvidia's tech leadership. Nvidia's revenue grows over 20% annually. Demand for AI chips is rising, positioning Nvidia for growth. Past performance isn't indicative of future results, but Nvidia's potential is exciting. Nvidia is at the forefront of the AI revolution. Do your own research to align with your investment goals. Next up, we have another tech giant that's no stranger to innovation, Microsoft. Microsoft is a top smart money pick thanks to its dominance in cloud computing, enterprise software, and artificial intelligence. Their cloud platform, Azure, is gaining serious ground on Amazon Web Services. Microsoft's recent partnership with OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, keeps it at the bleeding edge of AI innovation. With their massive user base and deep pockets, Microsoft is in a prime position to capitalize on the AI revolution. Smart money knows that this is a company with a proven track record of innovation, and they're betting big on Microsoft. Our next company is one that needs no introduction, Amazon. This behemoth continues to be a favorite among institutional investors, and for good reason. Amazon's expanding logistics empire, their cloud computing dominance with AWS, and their aggressive push into AI and automation have investors incredibly bullish on their future. Amazon is like having multiple businesses under one roof. They have e-commerce, cloud computing, logistics, advertising, and now they're even getting into healthcare and grocery delivery. This diversification is what makes Amazon so attractive to institutional investors. With their relentless focus on innovation and customer experience, Amazon is well positioned to continue its reign as one of the most valuable companies in the world. Let's move on to another tech giant that's synonymous with innovation. Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Alphabet is so much more than Google search. From YouTube's massive advertising revenue to its cutting-edge AI lab, DeepMind, and its rapidly expanding cloud services, smart money sees Alphabet as an unstoppable innovation machine. Google Search and YouTube alone generate billions of dollars in ad revenue every single quarter. Alphabet is like a factory of innovation, constantly churning out new products and services that have the potential to disrupt entire industries. Institutional investors see this, which is why they continue to pour money into Alphabet. Next up, we have one of the most innovative companies on Earth. Apple. Apple delivers exceptional products and has a loyal customer base. With products like the iPhone, iPad, and Mac, Apple is a money-making machine. Apple's brand is synonymous with quality, innovation, and design. Services like Apple Music, Apple Pay, and iCloud generate billions in recurring revenue. This subscription model makes Apple's revenue streams stable. Institutional investors value Apple's stability and recurring income. Apple's stability, profitability, and cash flow make it a core holding for many investors. Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, is betting big on the Metaverse, a virtual world they believe is the next major computing platform. Smart money is cautiously optimistic, betting on Meta's long-term vision and dominance in digital engagement. Meta is also investing heavily in AI, crucial for an immersive Metaverse experience. Despite recent stock hits, smart money believes Meta will be a major player in the Metaverse. Let's move on to a company that's no stranger to making headlines, Tesla. Tesla has been a roller coaster ride for investors, with its stock price experiencing massive swings in both directions. Tesla's innovations in electric vehicles, battery technology, and self-driving AI are unmatched. Tesla's energy business, which includes solar panels, home batteries, and utility-scale energy storage, is also growing rapidly. Institutional investors see Tesla as a long-term disruptor in both the energy and mobility sectors. They believe that Tesla has the potential to become the Apple of the auto industry. Now, Tesla's path to dominance is not without its challenges, including increasing competition and production delays. But despite these challenges, institutional investors are willing to stomach the volatility for the potential of outsized returns. Next up, we have a company that's not as flashy as some of the other names on this list, but it's just as important: Broadcom. Broadcom is a semiconductor giant that makes the chips that power our smartphones, data centers, and networking equipment. They're essential to modern connectivity, and they're benefiting from the explosive growth in data consumption and the rollout of 5G networks. Broadcom's chips are found in everything from iPhones to data centers to self-driving cars. Broadcom is also investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the curve. They're constantly innovating and expanding their product offerings, which is why they're a favorite among institutional investors. So, while Broadcom might not be the most exciting company to talk about, they're a solid, profitable company with a bright future. Now, let's talk about a company that's absolutely critical to the entire tech industry: Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC for short. TSMC is the world's largest contract chip maker, and they're responsible for producing the chips that power many of the devices we use every day. TSMC's advanced manufacturing capabilities are unmatched. They're the only company in the world that can produce chips at the scale and sophistication required by today's most demanding applications. Institutional investors recognize TSMC's strategic importance in the global tech landscape. So, if you're looking for a company that's at the heart of the global tech ecosystem, TSMC is definitely one to watch. Finally, let's talk about a company that's challenging Tesla's dominance in the electric vehicle market: BYD Company Limited. BYD is a Chinese multinational conglomerate that's quickly becoming a global force in the electric vehicle industry. They're already the largest plug-in vehicle manufacturer in China, and they're rapidly expanding their presence in Europe and other parts of the world. BYD has a few key advantages over Tesla, including a much lower cost structure and a vertically integrated business model. Institutional investors are taking notice of BYD's rapid growth and competitive advantages. They see BYD as a serious contender in the global EV market, and they're investing accordingly. So if you're looking for a company that's well-positioned to benefit from the continued growth of the electric vehicle market, BYD is definitely one to keep an eye on. There you have it, the 10 stocks smart money is betting on in 2025. Whether it's AI, EVs, cloud computing, or semiconductors, these companies are right at the heart of the biggest trends shaping our future. And by understanding where institutional investors are putting their money, we can get a glimpse into what the future might hold. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these stocks are already in your portfolio? Are there any on this list that surprised you? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you found this video valuable, don't stop here. Tap one of the videos now appearing on the screen right now to keep leveling up your investment game. Thanks for watching, and as always, invest smart.